Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing A-level computer science here at Tavenham High School. You've made a great choice. I'm Mr. Wilson and I'm going to be taking you through what we'll be covering and how studying computer science with us will make a difference. Computer science is a wide field with great opportunities. It's one of the most reliable career choices. Just take a look at those stats. It shows in the future it's going to open a lot of doors for computer science students. Programming is a primary skill that's taught. However, computer science just teaches students to solve real life problems. This can be done not only by working as a programmer, but also as a designer, analyst, animator, or games developer. As companies continue to hire computer science students, it's worth examining the various career options and average salaries on offer for students who have completed their computer science course and gone on to computer science at a higher level of education, so university or apprenticeships. So the top 5 great opportunities which you could go on and study at university, for example, would be like number 1, software development, graphic design, software testing, information security professional, systems analyst is in there as well. So while the fastest growing sector is software development, it's got 3 subfields. So we're looking at web development, mobile development, and data scientists. So they're the top fields in terms of the aspect of growth, salaries, and career opportunities. These are the skills that we're teaching you as computer scientists. We're looking at the analytical skills. So being a computer scientist involves identifying problems and coming up with a technological solution to address them. We're going to be looking at developing your problem-solving skills. So one of the key skills for computer scientists is the ability to solve a complex problem in a systematic and logical way. Creativity skills. This goes hand in hand with problem solving, and it's one of the other key skills you'll need as a successful computer scientist, since coming up with solutions to problems is almost never a straightforward process. Out-of-the-box thinking is often required in order to ensure that you're delivering the most innovative and effective solution possible. Critical thinking skills. So critical thinking is an important skill to have in any career or subject, but it's especially important for a computer scientist. This is because you're going to be working on a variety of projects using a variety of methodologies, so knowing which methodology to use and when to use them is an essential part of getting the job done. Resilience. So this is one of the key tenets of programming at any level, is understanding that you're most likely going to fail before you succeed. This is nothing to do with your programming abilities and everything to do with the process, itself. Programming involves trying out different elements of code until you find the best solution, and learning to be resilient, determined, and humble in the face of multiple failures is part of the process. So in year 12, we focus on the AS content, which includes programming, computational thinking, networks, problem solving. We begin your NEA towards the end of year 12, which gives you an opportunity to analyze, design, implement, test, and evaluate a solution to solve a real world problem. In year 13, we continue supporting you with your independent programming project and introduce you to a more complex topic such as OOP, big data, data representation, and complex algorithms. And now we're going to look at your exams. So in year 12, you've got AS paper 1 focuses on programming, worth 50% of your AS, with paper 2 covering the theory topics. A-level is the same format, but the content goes into much more detail and ultimately covers everything from both AS and A-level specification. In your AS, you'll have effectively practiced the on-screen and written exam, which will be worth 40% each, with your NEA contributing towards the final 20% of your final grade. As your AS exam doesn't count towards your final grade, but gives you a really good benchmark of that you're going to succeed and that you're on track. PG Online is our approved supplier, and we're like fully resourced with PG Online. Our class materials, books, PowerPoints, and so forth. We encourage and we use Craig and Dave's material. You can find them on YouTube as part of our engaging teaching methods, and this will play an more important role in the coming academic year as we move towards more of a blended learning environment. It would be great if you could buy the textbook. It's comprehensive, it supports all the material we deliver, but it does depend on your learning style. You know, we won't directly refer to the book during lessons. However, if you've got the book, it's a great resource to support your academic achievements. Okay, wider reading. So it's expected that you've completed the wider reading that we've set during your transition period. We've issued additional material along with, now you've watched this video, we've got another little task for you, which is our FutureLearn course in OOP. So really recommended, you know, fully supported online with futurelearn.com. And it'll really make you top of the class. That's it from me. Thanks for listening and see you all soon.